WGTOW-MGTOW videos copyright, October 2, 2019, by Cupideros. Some of you may be wondering how WGTOW-MGTOW videos connect to a spiritual fiction website. First, I use the term WGTOW for feminism, in all its permutations, levels, grades of wisdom, and madness. Second, for me, understanding the WGTOW-MGTOW schisms or separation, undertow, provides the right lens to view our happy-whack-a-ma leftist culture. The right way to expose the madness the leftist culture has been breeding for decades, especially in Duluth model feminism. I write realistic fiction. And as a realistic practical fiction writer, one who writes about the times of the day, the reader will gain more from my past and present fiction, by understanding the WGTOW-MGTOW separation. My older fiction, written under the pre-cult feminism days, appears to support today's cult feminism of the third wave, and the last half of the cult second wave. This was not the case. One can live isolated from the culture. Most people go to work, come home, take care of the daily chores, duties in their 1,440-minute day. Most people receive disconnected cult feminist snippets or soundbites understood through films, music, commercials, radio shows, and newspaper clippings. Such numerous soundbites do not provide the connect-the-dots picture of reality. YouTube videos like Black Pilled, Red Ice, Sandman, or TFM, my WGTOW-MGTOW series, and others draw the big picture for the average person. Well-meaning as the average hard-working Joe and Jane are, they do not have time to see the big picture. Some average Joe and Jane do not want to see the big picture. Other average Joes and Janes prefer to remain in the cult feminist bubbles, believe they live in a patriarchy. Those Joes and Janes will not be reading this piece. We, YouTubers, are outside the mainstream media, MSM, network meant to confuse, build, promote the cult ideology of feminism. We outliers or outsiders from the MSM want to bring the reader up to date. We want the truth unlocked and told. 3 groups of WGTOW-MGTOW explainers exists. First, the addition, drawing, phonetics group. Second, the algebra, painting, reading group. Third, the physics, fine art, literature group. You learn addition before algebra, drawing before painting, phonetics before reading. This is the nature of things properly done. Sandman videos are the addition, simple to grasp the WGTOW-MGTOW problem. TFM videos are the algebra, harder to understand, the big picture of the WGTOW-MGTOW problem. Continuing the analogy, still others, YouTubers are the physics, fine art, and literature reading of the WGTOW-MGTOW problem. Therefore, I have included WGTOW-MGTOW videos following such an order. Most WGTOW-MGTOW videos will be in the first or second group, if on Cupiderosbooks.com. As of now, enough videos of both groups, too handsful, are on this website explaining the WGTOW-MGTOW snafu. I consider my WGTOW-MGTOW writings a hybrid between the second and third groups, a little of both of those groups. Explaining something at the first, addition, drawing, phonetics level should not be dismissed. In fact, early adopters of most things, want an easy entry into the subject or cause. The handiwork of this first WGTOW-MGTOW group helps get the average Joes and Janes up to speed, quickly. Now, when I write my fiction, poems, short stories, novels, I can break the shackles. I can reach across all levels or permutations of the WGTOW-MGTOW debate. Go. Read some of my fiction posted here and see for yourself. Because of this versatile writing's beauty, I can approach the spiritual realms of life on many topics. This is the purpose of Cupiderosbooks.com, to bring spiritual self-awareness and other awareness to the reader. The WGTOW-MGTOW videos and other videos on this website provide a menu for the WGTOW-MGTOW problem. Once that menu is known, much of the MSM lies will be known as well. For example, children have always been used in war, and the left has been using the greatest for decades, mostly girls because they shriek, get hysterical, thus trying to pull out the white knights of men to protect such girls and, more importantly, their cause. Trauma drama shrieks and hysterics from girl children or grown women do not provide a rational argument. It merely means, do what I say because I will cry and get emotionally loud and shame you. In simpler words, I will throw a temper tantrum drama. In fiction, one can connect the dots, reveal the truth more quickly. This is what Cupiderosbooks.com strives to do, and will use as many tools to achieve that end goal. P.S. If you want to help me in this cause, donate to http://paypal.me/Cupideros.